labor is $867.67. My subtotal, sales tax, giving me a total of $994.94. All right, so let's go ahead and save what we have. And now we're going to cash out and close this repair order. So the customer, let's say they pay with a check. So you make your selection of how they're making their payment. And then we need to receive this information into the payment box. So you can either hit the tab key or enter to get that payment amount into the payment box. You now see that the balance is 0, and it's time to close out by clicking on the rubber stamp icon here.